We are back with Dr. Shelley Olson. She's taking your questions about dental care and when it's time to pay your dentist a visit. All right, so this first question says, if your teeth are stained, should you use a charcoal toothpaste?
We don't recommend charcoal toothpaste because it can be abrasive. That and baking soda toothpaste can actually do more damage to your teeth than good because of the silica particles in them. All it's doing is wearing away or eroding your enamel. Also, those particles can get lodged up underneath your gums and make them more tender. What I'd recommend if your teeth are stained is go to your dentist and your hygienist and have a really good tooth cleaning with polishing, and they can help you with a whitening if you need it.
Okay. This next question is, how long does a crown last?
Well, like anything that's put in your mouth, everyththing has a lifespan, and it depends on how well you take care of it when you get home. If you're brushing and flossing every day, how long if you're using your fluoride toothpaste, if you're going to your dentist every 6 months. But I would say definitely more than a few years.
All right. This person's asking, do teeth whitening strips damage your teeth?
I would recommend that you talk with your dentist about that, because if you do have cavities in your teeth to start with, that bleach can get down in those cavities and make them very sensitive and uncomfortable. Without having an evaluation of your mouth, you really don't know if your mouth is healthy enough or ready for the whitening strips. There are some great products out there, but first see your dentist.
Yeah, that's when I started my teeth whitening, was after I saw my dentist, and then we talked about what kind of plan, and my teeth are sensitive, so I had to use sensitive toothpaste before I did that, and that's very common, yes?
Yes, it's very common to have sensitivity after whitening, and they can prescribe a sensitive toothpaste to help put in your trays if they make you trays in the office, or you can use a sensitivity toothpaste after using your whitening strips at home.
Okay. This person's text question is, how can someone strengthen their tooth enamel?
Your tooth enamel is actually developed while you're developing, and there's really no way to strengthen your enamel. You can keep it healthy by brushing with a fluoride toothpaste, drinking fluoridated water, and then making sure you're brushing and flossing, avoiding acidic foods and beverages, or if you do have acidic drinks, make sure you rinse with water afterwards. Can keep them nice and strong.
And so when you say rinse with water, so my mom would tell me, and she's a dental hygienist, hey, Tanya, after you drink your coffee or whatever, take a gulp of water and swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds.
Yes, exactly. Your mom is right on target with that. I also tell students at school, after you've had lunch, take a big drink of water, swish it all around before you put your retainers back in. That way you can kind of flush out any food that's in there.
Okay. This person wants to know, what are your cavity warning signs?
So cavity warning signs are if you feel something cold when you drink cold water. Sometimes when you eat something sugary, you would feel kind of a twinge or a sensitivity. Anything that's really throbbing means that cavity's already probably gotten very close to the nerve and demands immediate attention. Any sensitivity you have in your mouth, I would see your dentist. It could be some root exposure, but it could also be a cavity.
Okay. This next question is, why do my gums hurt when I floss?
So when your gums hurt when they floss, they're telling you that I need more attention. They're kind of screaming at you and saying, hey, give me some more love. Get in there with that floss. They might bleed a little bit to start with, but what it's telling you is there's some inflammation in those gums, and that's why they're sore. So they really want you to clean them. It's kind of like if you have a cut on your finger, it's sore, but you still have to keep it clean. And if you keep it really clean, it will heal. And that's it's the same principle. Your gums are sore because they're sick.
We have about a minute left. This person's asking, is Invisalign a replacement for braces?
Invisalign is a good option for a lot of people. Invisalign are braces, and I would recommend you see a certified dentist or an orthodontist to do your Invisalign or your clear aligner therapy. Don't go to the mall and get your trays done. Make sure you go to your dentist or an orthodontist.
Okay, so Invisalign is in fact a brace, like braces, but you do need to go to your dentist or an orthodontist to make sure that you're getting the correct fit and everything that you need. Thank you so much for your time and your expertise. We so appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
And so if you missed any of this information, all the myths and things that we went over, you can find it in our website, WFNYnews2.com. Just head over to the 2 Wants to Know section.